Here's an interesting app called HeadAI AI Headshot Generator. So yeah, let's just install it and see how it works. So it's quite high in the charts. So yeah, AI Headshot Generator app ranked in top charts. But now they also have this AI yearbook photo generator feature which went viral, and also they also have Halloween photo generator and also just AI headshot. Obviously, I guess this app is paid. So let's just see what are the pricings, and I will suggest you either like if it is expensive or not. So like because I downloaded a lot of these AI headshot apps. I did a lot of tutorials, overviews, and then here let's see like so you have get pro access 3-day free trial, which is good, and then there is $5 per week, or monthly you can buy like basically for $20 per month, which is not kind of on the cheaps. I would say it's like an average price what you would pay. I mean, all of these apps I kind of want to go step in step with like official ChatGPT app, which is around like $20 per month. So yeah, something like that. Yeah, so but there is also free trial here which you can get, and then there is Head AI, which you can see all of the shots which you can get, and then for example yearbook, if you wanna select this one, you just select, and then you just need to upload your photo. All right, so where I can get some of the photos. I already, as you can see, I tried some of these yearbooks. Okay, let's just take a photo for the sake of this experiment. So here I can just take this just to show you how it might work, and then just upload photo. And then just tap choose. And then let's see like what would be the price here, or if it's even like generating this photo like that. So then you can see your generated picture, and then it asks me of course to upgrade. And that's it, which is a bit weird why it's closing up. So then it just asks me to upgrade. So anyhow, you can kind of get a preview for free, but then you need to upgrade. So yeah, that's basically what it is. If you get all of these photos just with a subscription, it's kind of good deal, because in other apps you have a monthly subscription, and then still you need to pay additional price for for these packages. So yeah, that's what it is.